Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Two men were waiting outside of the operation theater. They were very nervous and walking here and there. They were holding lots of emotions. Every passing second was very crucial for them. It was getting unbearable. They couldn't be able to wait anymore. Suddenly, they heard babies crying, voice and froze at their place. After a few seconds, they moved. Tears were continuously flowing from their eyes. Jungi hugged Jimin tightly. Congratulations, Appa. Jimin hugged him back. Congratulations, Dada. Jungi, finally we became 3 from 2. Jimin, our little bundle of joy is here. Jimin, finally our wait of 9 months is over. We became parents. Pulled Jimin in warm and soft. Jimin shyly smiled. Our first as parents. They both were talking. Suddenly nurse came out with their baby and handed to Jimin. Jimin quickly sat on the bench and carefully held baby in his arms. Baby was sleeping in his arms. Nurse, congratulations, it's a boy. Jungi, boy, but I want a girl. Nurse smiled. Better luck next time. Comes to doctor's cabin in few minutes. Left. Jungi looked at Jimin, who was carrying baby in his arms, and tears were flowing from his eyes. Jimin, what happened? Why are you crying? Why it is tears? Did he do anything? To baby, hey, you little one, you just came out and made my husband cry. How dare you to do this? Nobody can make my husband cry, understand? Jimin smiled to see his possessiveness. Yungi, he can't understand what you say. He is sleeping. He just born and you already started scolding him. Yungi, he made my husband cry. I won't allow anyone to make my husband cry. Not me too. Jimin, they are happy tears. Yungi, happy tears? Then it's fine. Now let's go to doctor. They both came to doctor's cabin, but doctor wasn't there. They were waiting for him. Baby was still sleeping. Jinmin couldn't take off their eyes from baby. Doctor came and witnessed their adorable family moment. Doctor, houseman family? Jimin looked at him. We are so overwhelmed. We can't express our happiness. Yungi, but I'm not that much happy. Doctor, why? Yungi, because I want a girl child. Doctor, you aren't that much lucky to have girl child. Do more hard work and try your luck next time. Yungi, don't tease me, doctor. Jimin, ignore him, doctor. He became crazy. We are so happy. We only want a healthy child. House surrogate, is she fine? Can we meet her? Doctor, she is fine, but according to surrogacy rules, neither you can meet her nor baby. After the delivery, baby is only parents. Surrogates can't have any relationship with them. Yungi, but what about milk? I heard newborn baby needs mother's milk. Doctor, I called you here to tell you more about baby. Now listen to me very carefully. We will provide you pumped milk. Feed baby dad. Give them a chart. It's the sleeping chart of baby. Newborn babies usually sleep 14 to 20 hours in a day. Their nap time can be 20 to 30 minutes. Yoongi, wow, 14 to 20 hours sleep. You know, doctor, it was my dream. I want to sleep for 16 hours, but poor me got the sleep only 6 hours. But now my child fulfill my this dream. Jimin slapped Yoongi's thighs. Shut up, doctor, ignore him and tell us more. Doctor told them everything. So these are the precautions which you have to take. Your child is perfectly fit and fine. You can take him home. Have you decided any name for baby? Yoongi, yeah, I have decided thousands of names for my princess. Jimin shook his head in disbelief. Jungkook, our son's name will be Jungkook. Yoongi, yeah, doctor, his name will be Jungle Book. Jimin, it's Jungkook, not Jungle Book. How dare you to call my son Jungle Book? Doctor, don't start bickering again, at least not in front of baby. Junmin's bickering is never ending saga. They both started bickering and soon Cookie started crying. Doctor taught them how to pacify the baby. They both were carefully observing him. Doctor was their family doctor's son. He knew Yoongi very well. Yunmin were arranged marriage couple. Their parents were friends, so they both knew each other before. Yoongi was a cold CEO who was workaholic all the time. He wants only work and work. He can't sit without doing anything. He doesn't have any interest in anything rather than in his work. He's totally opposite. Jimin was fun-loving boy. He can't live boring life all the time. He was happily gibbering. Their marriage was going smoothly, but Yoongi's workaholic nature made Jimin mad. Yoongi didn't give Jimin time all the time. Jimin tried to take his attention, but he always sidelined him, not purposely. One day, Jimin met with their family doctor's son and told him his problem. Yoongi never stopped him for doing party, but he can't party all the time now. Doctor suggested him to plan a baby, but as they both were boys, so they can't get child naturally. So he told them about surrogacy. He only needs Yoongi's consent and one of them's whomever baby they want. Jimin liked the idea and talked with Yoongi, but Yoongi didn't show any interest. Jimin also dropped this idea, but when Yoongi got more busy in his work, Jimin decided to have a baby, so he forced Yoongi, and result was in his arms. Note: surrogacy is an arrangement and legal agreement in which a woman agrees to carry a couple's child who are unable to become parents. All the clauses are pre-decided. After the birth of the child, surrogate mother can't have any contact with her baby. She can provide her milk to child but can't and hold the baby in her arms. This is done so that there is no relationship between surrogate mother and the baby. If she holds a baby or beats him, then the chances of getting mother's love increase. Then it will be hard for her to give the child to intended parents. Everything is clearly mentioned and discussed before the process of IVF. Some parents allowed surrogate to their baby for few days. Time skipped after few weeks. Cookie is now few weeks old. He recognized Yunmin's face and voice as he was Yoongi's son, so possessiveness was in his DNA. He used to stick to Jimin all the time and didn't let him do any work. He always wanted to stay in Jimin's arms. With Cookie's arrival, happiness came in Yunmin's life, but Yunmin were happy to have Cookie. Lots of changes happened because of him. Yoongi started coming home early to spend more time with Cookie because most of the time he slept early. He barely got any chance to play with him. By then, Yoongi played with Cookie. Jimin completed his all the work, but now new problem arose. Nowadays, Jimin got too much busy with Cookie. He couldn't give Yoongi attention like before. Before he called Yoongi in office and asked what will he want to have in dinner, but now he couldn't do because of Cookie. Yoongi started missing Jimin's attention and desperately wanted it back. He was jealous of his own son because he got his precious husband's all the love and attention. When Jimin was giving him attention, he ignored him and now he is sulking for that. Karma hit him so hard. Yoongi came back home by silently unlocking the door by the spare key. While finding Jungkook, he came to his room and found Jimin was sleeping in rocking chair and Cookie was sleeping on his chest. He was looking so tired. He smiled and quickly went to washroom to wash his hands and came back. He gently kissed on Jimin's forehead. Jimin tiredly smiled and looked at him. Jimin, when did you come? I didn't know. Yoongi, just few minutes ago, strokes his hairs. Are you alright? You are looking so tired. Jimin, I'm fine. Yoongi, when did he sleep? Jimin, half an hour ago, I guess. Yoongi, picked Cookie in his arms and made him sleep on the bed. Jimin, Yoongi, what are you doing? He will wake up. Yoongi, then let him wake up. For how long will you carry him? He should understand that you also need some time. Started massaging his shoulders. Jimin, I'm fine. Taking care of Cookie gives me happiness. I'm not tired. Yoongi, but I am not happy at all. Jimin, what happened? Is anything happened in your office? Yoongi, not office. Jimin, then Yoongi, I'm feeling so low. It seems like my all the energy drain out. Jimin, energy drain out? Why are you standing? Come and sit. Let me make energy drink for you. Yoongi, I'm feeling so low. Energy drink won't work. I need overdose of special energy. He was still standing behind Jimin and pulled his chin up and rubbed his thumb on Jimin's lumpy lips. He came closer to him. Jimin closed his eyes and their lips were about to touch, but then Cookie started crying his lungs out. Jimin lightly pushed Yoongi and went to Cookie. Jimin carried Cookie in his arms. Cookie, baby, why are you crying? See, Appa is here. Yoongi went to him and picked Cookie in his arms. Yes, why are you crying? Do you know you ruined Dada and Appa's moment? Made him lay down on the bed and sit on in front of him. Jimin, Yoongi, what are you saying? Yoongi, Jimin, you stay away in this matter. Today I will find out his problem. Whenever we try to kiss, he started crying his lungs out. How do you know the exact time? You don't know the difference between day and nights, but you know the perfect time to poke your nose in our romance. What do you want? Don't you want a sibling? That's why I want a girl child. Girls are so sweet. They won't bother their parents like boys. Yoongi was scolding Cookie non-stop. He was taking out his frustration, but not loudly. Jimin already left from there after noticing Cookie wasn't crying anymore. Cookie was laughing while looking at Yoongi because he was moving his head while talking and his hairs moved along with him, which made Cookie so happy. Yoongi, more mad. Here I am angry and scolding you, and there you are laughing. Are you making fun of me? Don't forget, I am your Dada. You will have to listen to me. Understand? Now stop laughing. Good boys won't disturb their parents and listen to them. Jimin came there with coffee and gave to Yoongi. You are still scolding my poor baby. Yuki, your poor baby is laughing on me. He should be scared of me. Jimin, by this face, who will scare him? My cookie is very strong boy. He won't scare of anyone. Time skipped after few months. Few months passed. Cookie started crawling. Now Jimin got more busy with Cookie. Earlier, they at least had some quality time by locking themselves in washroom or leaving Cookie in his cradle in the washroom. But now, as Cookie started crawling, so he found Yunmin from anywhere. He was so possessive. He didn't let Yoongi to come closer to Jimin. Whenever Yoongi brought rose for Jimin, he ruined that rose. It's normal because babies have the high tendency of jealousy. For them, their mom is the only there. Nobody can come closer to them. Here, Jimin is mom for Cookie. Jimin unknowingly totally started ignoring Yoongi. He didn't have time for Yoongi. Yoongi planned so many dates, but because of Cookie, they can't go anywhere. Now Yoongi became more jealous of Cookie. He turned romantic and Jimin became cold. Now he understood how did Jimin feel when he left him alone and always give him attention to his work. He was regretting very hard. But now nothing can happen. Cookie isn't gonna share Jimin's love and attention with him. Yoongi came back from his office and heard a beautiful tone. He came to his room's balcony and found Jimin was beautifully playing guitar and Cookie was looking at him. He was so happy. Jimin was also so happy and smiling. Yoongi quickly captured these precious moments in his mobile and started recording video. He was happy and jealous, both happy because his son and husband are happy and jealous because they are enjoying this beautiful moment without him. He wanted to be in place of Cookie and looking at Jimin like he was looking Yoongi in mind. Just look at this little devil. How happy he looks after snatching my husband. He is enjoying my share of love and attention, and here is me who is only recording the video. I wish I would be in place of that little devil. And Jimin was looking at me with so much love. Then I will kiss on his both the mochi like cheeks. Yoongi was only thinking of kiss on Jimin's cheeks, but Cookie kissed on his cheeks in real. He became so furious but couldn't do anything rather than burning in jealousy. He went to them and back up Jimin. He placed his hands on Jimin's and said, Yoongi, while snuggling on his neck, you played so beautifully, my love. Now let me play something for my love. Placed butterflies on Jimin's back of the ear. Jimin shyly smiled. His whole face turned so red like tomato just by Yoongi's slightest touch. He started playing guitar by holding Jimin's hands. He was and playing by Jimin's earlobe. Cookie was lost in music. Yoongi was playing so beautifully. After few minutes, he noticed Yoongi's long and veiny hands. He stood up, and Yoongi didn't notice it. He was busy in playing with his earlobe. Cookie only saw Yoongi and became furious. He grabbed Yoongi's fistful hairs and pulled it by his full force. Yoongi quickly left Jimin's earlobe and screamed loudly. He picked Cookie in his arms and took him in his room and made him sit on the bed. He was trying to remove his hand because he may be cut his hand, but his grip was very tight. Jimin also came in room and saw Yoongi was struggling to remove his hairs. Cookie was saying something in his language which no one can understand. Yoongi, Leave my hairs. What are you doing? I only played music for you. Cookie was bubbling something with angry expression. Ah, do you want me to make bald? Jimin came there. Cookie, baby, please leave Dada's hairs. See, Appa is here, right in front of you. Yungi, Jimin, what do you feed him? How can he hold with this much power? Jimin, I fed him milk and some boiled vegetables. Junki, I think I should also start drinking milk. He's so powerful. He won't leave my hairs. Bring scissors and cut my hairs. Otherwise, he will cut his hands. Jimin quickly brought the scissors and carefully cut Yoongi's hairs. Cookie started crying loudly. He threw Yoongi's hairs on the bed. Yunmin panicked and quickly checked his hand and found he got red marks. Jimin brought BB cream and gently applied on his palm. Yoongi also started crying like Cookie and while throwing his hands and legs to divert his attention. Cookie looked at him and stopped crying. Jimin removed the hairs and threw it on the dustbin. Yoongi lay down on the bed and started crying more loudly. Cookie crawled towards the side table and brought his bottle of milk and put in Yoongi's mouth and started patting his head. Whenever he cried, Jimin did this. So he thought Yoongi will calm down by this too. Both Yunmin were shocked by Cookie's this behavior. Yoongi thought to continue this drama to see Cookie's reaction, so he started crying more loudly. Cookie climbed on his chest and wiped his tears by his small baby hands and let down on his chest by hugging him tightly. He was singing lullaby in his language while patting his chest. Jimin pacified him by this, so he was trying all the techniques on him too. Soon, while making Yoongi sleep, he slept on Yoongi's chest. When Yoongi didn't hear any voice, he looked at Cookie and found him sleeping peacefully on his chest. Yoongi placed the bottle of milk on his side table and carefully hugged him. Jimin sat beside Yoongi while lovingly stroking his hairs. Yoongi, I thought he hates me a lot. Jimin, no, he doesn't hate you. He is only possessive towards me. I talked to doctor. He told me that it's normal. He loves you too, but didn't show. Yoongi, Jimin, I'm sorry. Jimin, sorry, but for what? Yoongi, for leaving you alone when you want my attention. At that time, I didn't realize, but now I realized how it feels when you didn't get attention of your loved ones. Jimin, I'm sorry too for not giving you more attention. With Cookie, time passed so quickly. I couldn't get time to do anything for you. Yoongi, I can understand. He's so possessive. Jimin, just like you. Yoongi, and angry too. It all happened just because of you. Jimin, because of me? But how? What did I do? Yoongi covered Cookie's ear. Didn't you remember how wild you became and tied my hands and forced me to do it? Jimin, it wasn't my fault. You weren't ready to have baby. I asked politely too. If you had listened to me, then I wouldn't have done this. So it was your fault. Yoongi, okay, I accept my mistake. Next time I will have you with so much love and gentleness. Then we will get a calm and composed girl. Jimin, you still want girl? Yoongi, of course I want. My princess will be my side. I don't have any hope from this little devil. He will always be on your side. Arthur, what do you think? Cookie will let them have second child? Newborn children are the biggest competitor of your love. They always want attention and can't share a little bit attention with anyone. They are the little bundle of joy, but the biggest enemy of romance. They can melt you all the anger just by their smile. The end. Arthur Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Newborn babies bring lots of happiness with themselves. They are the reason and cure of anger. First, they make you angry by snatching your loved one's attention, but later, they melt your anger by their cuteness too. Babies are the biggest attention seeker and jealous person. Yoongi got his karma. First, Jimin was waiting for his attention, but he was always busy in his work. Now, when Jimin started giving his all the attention to Cookie, Yoongi started sulking like a kid for his attention, but now he can't get that because his competitor is Cookie. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.